Streetlights flicker like they're tired too. Cold hands buried deep inside this hoodie. Train tracks hum like an old tattoo. Everything hurts but kinda quietly. Ash on the jacket, holes in my sleep. Old conversations right inside the kitchen. Everybody talks like they know peace. Meanwhile I just learn new ways to miss it. And the city keeps buzzing like nothing ever breaks, while I'm counting ceiling cracks and my dumb mistakes. So I walk through the neon in the rain, half alive and half insane. Heart still beating out of spite, like a busted sign still glowing in the night. And maybe heaven closed too soon, maybe growing up's just losing rooms. But I still sing when it all goes dark, like a stray dog howling at the parking lot starts. There's a kid inside me still throwing punches, a ghost that don't remember my name. Now I laugh too loud at stupid subjects just to keep my brain from going strange. The radio plays some cheap love song about forever and holding hands. Meanwhile I'm buying gas station coffee, trying to feel like a normal man. The world keeps spinning like it's all okay, but some nights feel longer than they should anyway. So I walk through the neon in the rain, half alive and half insane. Heart still beating out of spite, like a busted sign still glowing in the night. And maybe heaven closed too soon, maybe growing up's just losing rooms. But I still sing when it all goes dark, like a stray dog howling at the parking lot starts. Pretty, maybe it's cracked concrete, maybe it smells like smoke and old west streets. Maybe surviving is its own little art, a flickering motel sign refusing to fall apart. So I walk through the neon in the rain, still carrying every little stain. But the storm don't hit the same when you finally stop running from the pain. And the night keeps humming low like it understands somehow. Yeah, the world's still ugly, but I'm still here now.